How to change Yahoo Mail to English. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm here with a quick and easy simple tutorial on how to change Yahoo Mail to English. Firstly, you need to log into your Yahoo account. So, in order to log in, you must go to any browser and go to the Yahoo website. After you log into your account, then this type of interface will appear on your screen. Then click on your profile head in the upper right corner. Now, look for the option that says Overview and tap on it. Tap on the personal info and scroll down. Here, you can see the option Update Language. Click on it. Now, from here, you can select English as your preference. There are different options of English for different countries. You can select any from your preference. After choosing your language, click on Save Updates. Now, refresh the Yahoo Mail page and you will see the English language updated on your Yahoo Mail. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative contents. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.